Cha. When you say that go on, Chano, you know, say, between me and you still, I respect that decision. Honestly, I don't want the item get caught in a crossfire or no tanglings, legal tanglings over there with them, you see? No, man, what you mean? Alright, watch your style. I still want the item. Pass through ever so often, keep a close stops. You know, sometimes not even close, but from a distance, you see? Yeah, man, come on, know the boy up to, man. I know what I'm going, and if the other one, him going to turn up there anytime. You see me? Yeah, man, you have a circle, no, man. What you mean? I just assume I'm busy, man, and, you know, because guess what? See two boys going up a top hill, up a hilltop with me. Don't worry yourself. Yeah. What's that style like? In the week, they come knock on. You hear that? Say less.
Man, get a nice turnout though, George.
Yeah. Even though them characters so far, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I don't let him hold the forward, bro. So, you know, you used to go down with someone and have a few friends, so.
But you know the reason why I'm not coming, so right?
Yeah, and that me not like, Jenny. Me not want no more of them something there and the people them not feel safe. Remember, you know, we for people up there, we have big people, senior citizens, you know.
But you know, so that's not the reason why I don't. You have to bear in mind, you know, the police them not run a permit for up there, so keep nothing at all. Because them figure more or less say that killing the youth, yeah, is some gang-related issue, that's why.
But me and you know say I not so it come. We know who's responsible for that, you know.
But we don't have no proof for that. And even if we did have proof, we can't call nobody name. Because everything will come right back for me and you.
You know, so we have to do something about this, though. As a matter of fact, me personally, have to put a stop to it. You know, say another youth get shot. The same youth that were dead, fame friend when power get licked. I lucky him still alive.
You see why I tell you I'm not feel comfortable with what going up there? We need to cut out that round robin there up there, sir, and just focus on the rest of them. I really not feel comfortable, George.
Jen, what you really say? Eh? Me and that kind of, you know, flap my tail and run like a maga dog when things happen, you know. Eh? As a matter of fact, all what we do up at the hill is legitimate business and everything above board. Them are the one we have brought the law, so we can't afford for them intimidate we. You see me? To make you be at peace though, what we can do? Delegate somebody for oversee the pond ground running up there, and we stay wide.
George, me no want put nobody life on the line. Bear in mind up there hot right now, you know. The youth of dead friend them feel say youth from the other side to kill him, you know. Plus the police them believe the same thing too. We may know difference, say, another youth them from the other side, but we can prove it. How we ever prove it?
Not gonna lie, you know, you have a point still. But what's your style? You see as it's related to the other side. But don't make die page the big man. I make him know some a link with him and we have a reasoning. You see?
George, what make you feel like say you can quell everything? Eh? You realize that I'm not reach out to you? Or you know some not believe say you have something to do with it?
Me involved? What we are talking about? Let me tell you something where you don't know. Buckface them know me better than that. Cause me raise him and I may put them in charge and tell
yes, and him want to take your place. Let me tell you something. Buckface not like you. You know what things him chat behind your back, especially when you're in a jail? I don't want to tell you if you can put yourself in a problem.
That means that I have to go give him a page.
George, you realize that you take one step forward and 10 steps backward? Lord, the little boy them up there so make them do what them do. You know, sister, them not have no vision and them not have no meds. Who for tell if what happen up there and not that? Some of them for dead out because them a problem.
Genevieve, how you for say that? You forget say I'm me response. And me make we go on up the go on. Because somebody did have to nip it in the bud.
George, you remember when me have that conversation here, right here, so? And me ask you if you have nothing to do with it, and what you tell me say? No, a NEPA and land agency responsible for it. And see it there now? You come admit to it. So what you expect me to think?
That is exactly the reason why me have to tell you that. That same behavior that. Me know you're not going to get hysterical. And let me tell you something. The only thing that is required in this world for evil to be dominant is for good people just sit down and do nothing.
George, you know something that you're not the way you say a while ago after you called me hysterical. Hysterical. Let me tell you something where you don't know. Radcliffe Morgan come yes sir, in a female house. Threaten your life with me and tell me say the next time him see you up in place him gonna kill you. And if me ever tell you I'm gonna speed up the process. And you call me hysterical? Remember Radcliffe I was vindictive man. Why you don't appear to boy up there so? They bury you and mix you up in the foundation up there. George, not one day you not leave out here, me not worry. It's as if my whole immune system a breakdown because of this. George, if my phone ring when you left out, I'm afraid for answer it. Come in if somebody a call me to tell me say you're dead. Radcliffe show me videos with you alone on him site. Videos that you're going to different communities alone. Him have videos with you and Mr. Wallace. That means him have somebody a watch you and him have somebody a trail you.